Changing the email link to your Kraken account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your current credentials. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile or account name. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for the Email Preferences or Security Settings option. Click on it to access the Email Management section. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see an option to change your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify the change by checking your new email inbox for a confirmation link. Click the link to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address linked to your Kraken account will be successfully changed. Always remember to keep your account information secure.